Aquaponics is a sustainable farming system that combines aquaculture with hydroponics. In this video, we will explore the process of harvesting and enjoying the fresh produce from your aquaponic system. To ensure a bountiful harvest, it's important to maintain a healthy aquaponics system. Regularly check the water quality, monitor pH levels, and make sure the fish are thriving. Proper maintenance will result in vibrant and nutritious produce. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale are common crops in aquaponic systems. When the leaves are fully grown, carefully cut them near the base of the plant. Enjoy the freshness and crispness of your homegrown greens. A variety of herbs thrive in aquaponics, including basil, mint, and cilantro. To harvest, gently pinch or cut off the stems just above a leaf node. The aromatic flavors of your own homegrown herbs will enhance your culinary creations. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers are some of the fruiting plants you can grow in aquaponics. Once the fruits are ripe and brightly colored, gently twist or cut them off the vines. Enjoy the juicy and flavorful harvest from your aquaponic system. Now that you have harvested your fresh produce, it's time to savor the flavors in your kitchen. Prepare delicious salads, stir-fries, or even homemade salsa using your aquaponics-grown ingredients. Enjoy the taste of sustainable and nutritious food. Harvesting and enjoying the fresh produce from your aquaponics system is a rewarding experience. With proper care and maintenance, you can have a continuous supply of homegrown, sustainable food. Start your aquaponics journey today.